Hello guys, today we are going to see the lead code question minimum genetic mutation. A gene string can be represented by a 8 character long string which chooses from these 4 alphabets, that is either A, C, G or T and T. Suppose we need to investigate a mutation from a gene string starting gene to end gene, then where one mutation is defined as one single character changed in the gene string. For example, in this string the T gets converted to A in one mutation, so this is the start string and this is the end string, and we get for one alphabet change in the start string we get the end string. So one should be the output, that is the minimum number of operation to that needed to convert the start gene to the end gene. This is also a gene bank. There is also a gene bank that records all the valid gene mutations. A gene must be in the bank to make it a valid gene string. Given two gene string, that is start gene, end gene, we have to return the minimum number of mutation needed to start mutate from start gene to end gene. So here, as in the example, we are given a start gene. Here only we need to change T to A, and then we will get this string. The output is 1, that is only one operation is needed to convert. So we have to take a queue in which we have to first pass the node, beginning node or the starting, that is the starting string, and we have to take a unordered state in which all the elements are initially pushed into it, and we have to remove each of the element if it is by changing each of the alphabet to A, C, G and T. We have to check uh, if the element is previously present in the set, then we have to remove it and we have to push it into the queue. So let us see the code of the question. So here is the code of the question. First, we have taken another set of string in which we have to pass from bank begin to bank end. That is, all the strings are passed into the another set, and we have to take a queue of consisting of pair. One is string, other is the integer that would store the number of steps. First, we have to push the starting gene with 0 as the initial count or initial step, and we have to erase it by pushing it and erase it out of the set, and we have to push it into the queue until queue becomes empty. We have to first pop the word, that is queue front first, and the number of steps, and after popping we have to check, this is the base condition. If the word becomes equal to end gene, then we have to return the number of steps, and we have to iterate the whole word, and we have to replace each of the word, and we have to store the original. We have to take a original character and we have to store that character word I with that original, and we have to, after converting all this, we have to replace the word I with original such that the original word remains the same, and for, each of the character of the word is taken and is changed or tested with A, C, G and T, and if any of the word after changing is present in the set, then we have to remove it from the set, and we have to push that element into the queue along with increasing the number of steps. And this is done by converting all the converting that alphabet with A, C, G and T, and by increasing number of steps gradually. After, we have to return, if the word becomes equal to end gene, we have to return the steps, otherwise we have to return -1. This is the code. Thank you.